You are something special. I take you on a shopping spree, yeah. Cause I'm so into you, girl. I'm so into you. I love you, baby. I'm so into you, girl.
It's your girl Janaya, and I'm back with another motherfucking video. Y'all go like, comment, and subscribe. You already know what it do with the gang. Oh, y'all, don't even do me right now, cause your girl looking real spicy. Your girl looking real spicy. Okay. Y'all, don't mind the ghetto-ness, okay? But it is currently like 7-something in the morning. And I just got off the phone with my mama. And she need to come home because I be in here so bored. Y'all know how boring it is to be in a house by yourself? Bitch, I be so bored. It don't even make no sense, but let me not let y'all see my house, because y'all know y'all be with that sneaky shit, pulling up on bitches. And I don't got time. Damn, I was trying. Hey, it's so cold outside, y'all. It's like, hold on, let me get in the car. I'm gonna tell y'all on the thermometer, but it's freezing out here, bitch. I'm gonna turn on the heater. My battery ain't go dead. I left that damn thing open. But y'all, your girl is about to go to my sister's house and get a charger because I don't have one and I need a freaking charger. Like I don't know what's wrong with my charger. I honestly think so cold. Y'all, outside of the car, it is, that bitch say icy, but it is cold as fuck outside. Who been in my damn car? Why my damn seat so far back? No, I ain't that damn tall. And I can't play music because I don't have my other phone, and I can get copyrighted, you guys. But let me tell y'all, by my house, I'm gonna show y'all the front of my car. By my house, the birds over there shitted all, like, you ever watch, what's that movie called? Scream or Scary Movie? I think it's Scary Movie. Scary Movie with the bird, that shit. Oh my gosh, it's like they had a rocket when they was shitting on my fucking car, bro. Like, it shot hard. Like, bitch, a million birds shitted on my car. Y'all just don't know. But I'm gonna go in here and wake my cousin up at my sister's house. Because who gonna do something to me? It might be 7 o'clock in the morning, but bitch, I need a charger for real, for real. Oh, them look like some raws. I know this girl ain't dropping a pack of raws on the ground. Oh no, them ain't raws. But look at her. Look at her keychain piece. I hope he up. I hope I don't come wake him up. Damn, I'm gonna show y'all the car when I come back out of this house. But it is cold as fuck. And I need a charger ASAP, man. Janaya. Thank you, y'all. Good morning. Cause I need a charger, and it's only right if I come back and steal one. You feel me? I should take that one. But if I get this shit and it don't work, just know I'm gonna be mad, Cherry. If I pick this charger up and it ain't working, I'm gonna be pissed off. Right. See you later, y'all.
All right. Be careful.
Okay. So activated. Y'all, let me show y'all my car. Hey, don't mean be talking trash. Cause when your girl get her new vehicle, just know I'ma be that nigga. But look, it's like, bitch, they just shot my car. Like, bitch, what the fuck? I know y'all ain't shit all over my vehicle. Oh, it's hot in here. Oh, bitch, I left that air. I left the heat on. But y'all, it's so cold outside. I'm a whole anemic out here. It's probably not even that cold. No, it's cold as fuck. Cause my muffler in the back got smoke coming from it. So you know that means it's cold outside when when heat up against air, and you could see the air. Just know, ooh, I almost hit my daddy truck. He need to get. We try to. Okay, there we go. I should go on a morning ride. Yeah, I'm gonna go on a morning ride. But y'all, so I'm gonna talk about it, praying, hoping my mama make it through surgery. I know she gonna make it through surgery. She's strong as fuck. Strong as an ox is my mom. So yeah, pretty much. I will show y'all the road, but look at all the people going to work towards the beach. Bro, I mean the birds shitted all over my car. Y'all just don't understand. Oh, I should have went and got my car so I could buy me something to eat. I should turn around while I'm right here. Because we're gonna do something to me. Y'all just don't know this heat and this car feels so good. My face breaking out, everything going on. It's only because I was drinking soda though. But y'all, I am going through it right now. I am having a lot of off-camera problems is what I'm gonna call it. Yeah, off-camera problems. I'm having a lot of those with my relationship. I'm having problems with my mom and her health. I'm having problems communicating with my sisters. Like, we is beefing hard right now. No, because them motherfuckers think it's some type of competition. It's really not no type of competition going on. But we is very outspoken ladies because of our mom. So when we beef and argue with each other, we like really be arguing. And it's for, we be beefing and shit. My brother, he his own person. He ain't got nobody. But he always take my side and my sister Cherry's side because we the closest with him. But he close to our other sisters too. So he like the cordial sibling. He like between everybody. But me and Cherry don't really get along with Muffin and Candy. And it's only because it's either Muffin always got something to say to Cherry and Candy always got something to say to me. And they also think we ain't supposed to say shit to them. Girl, I will get mad. I should go to school, y'all. Y'all want me to go to school? I should. Y'all want me to go to school today? I'll go to school. For y'all only. I should go to school today. I ain't make up some of my work anyway. But I don't know what classes you got. And if I got Miss Rayner, I'm not going. I will stay the fuck home. Because she my only teacher that's here. And the only class I be having to go to. Girl, no. That shit is not the move. But, what time? It's like, I know it's like 7:15 something. It's not that late. It's like 7:15, 7:30. Because I've been up since 5 o'clock. Just up. Oh my God, the sun is bright and I can't see the road, you guys. Holy shit, I still can't see the road. I should go to school. But I gotta clean this shit off my car. Because I'm not going to school with no shit on my car. Everybody gonna see my car. He drinking coffee. Little head ass. I should go to school. I'm gonna go home and call my home girl. Because it's a lot of shit going on. Yeah. I think I want to go to school, you guys. I be wanting to go to school, but certain people don't be at school. I just be like, oh my gosh, this shit can be so lame. But I want to go to school. I'm about to go to school. And oh, this coffee is so nice. Y'all just don't understand. I mean, so nice. So nice. Hold up, I gotta back in. And bitch, I ain't gonna wreck out for nobody. Fuck y'all. And I always do that. Be back. Swing out and never. Wait. They gonna be like, that girl back in so dumb. Man, bitch, I'm too short to see over the damn thing, bitch. I can't see. Where they lying at? Man, let me fix my mirror. That shit, playing games. Okay, just like that. But I don't pull my car on. I ain't pulling my car all the way under this tree no more. I know that. Cause like they don't pull their cars all the way under the tree. I guess the shit. They could have warned me about the bird shitting on the front of our cars. Front of my car look like I done went through a damn bird fest or something. Let me leave this on. Heater can stay on. It's cold in a bitch. I ain't even gonna lie to you. But one thing I do know, I wanna go to school. I'm about to go ahead. My tire look flat. I don't think I'm gonna be able to go. Look. My shit look a little low. I don't know. I'm gonna have to put some air in that thing now. Look at these fucking dogs. I be done kick this fucking dog so fucking hard. They just don't know. Cause them bitches really be trying to fucking bite me. And they always trying to make it seem like they be fucking playing and shit. Like they got this one of them. One of their dogs, a little black dog. She got they little black dog. This bitch got cancer, right? Bitch, if I was dying, I wouldn't be trying to hurt people. Bitch, I'd be living my best life. Every time she see me, she wanna bite and shit. Yo, get your own. When I tell y'all the other day, she did that shit and tried to bite me. I tried to boot her motherfucking ass. It took it hard. Please let this charger work. I was about to say, don't tell me this fucking charger don't work.
You are something special. I take you on a shopping spree, yeah. Cause I'm so into you, girl. I'm so into you. I love you, baby. I'm so into you, girl. I'm